Yes.
Yeah, due to the internet connection, we left the problem in the previous class at 50%, right? Let it be continue with that. After the conversion of question of x in terms of t is finished, the 80 in terms of z we are working over there. After the when you're working over there, the last case I wrote in is equal to 2 times of 1 by instead of t 1 by z under root of 2 minus 1 by z square. Then after that 1 by z square into dz. This is a question now. So after this, here the z square, this z square will come root. This is cancel. After the discussion, the question will come into the dz by under root of 2z minus 1 minus of this one. This minus will come out. Okay. So this question is look like now integration dz by under root of 2z minus 1. It look like 1 by root x. This is, you can feel it is in terms of x. 1 by root x. What is the value of integration 1 by root x? 1 by root x means what you can write down? What is the value of 1 by root x?
2 root x.
1 by, sorry, 2 root x only, right? Yeah, 2 root x.
Yes.
1 by 2 root x. So I said only 2 root x, I think so.
1 by 2 root x.
Yeah, 1 by,
Yes.
yeah, 1 by 2 root x
d by
only.
dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x.
Okay, what root x means what? So x power
Root x
minus 1
means
by 2
only
is there.
1 by 2
X
root x.
power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. This is nothing but x power plus 1 by 2. This is a 1 by 2. So to come, 2 root x will come. Simply you can say 2 root x will come. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this answer will go to minus 2 of as is there. This is a question of out of it. 2 root x. So nothing but 2z minus 1. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No,
So if you want more clear, I'll be do it for sake of some doubt cases. You should not enter also. I'll do for working on that to get it more clarity. Better to avoid the discussion. So minus 2 is there. Here I'll take 2 is out. So the 2 is out means root 2 will come. So other thing also you can do it. 2 it is taking common or not, it doesn't make any difference. I'll take directly. Uh, minus 2. 2z minus 1 is equal to, let us t is equal to some other, let us say yes, you can take integration you are applied 2 into dz is equal to yes will come. So dz is equal to ds by 2. So ds by 2 by root s. Okay, root s. So this 2 coming out. So this two cancel. So the question is ds by root s. Okay. So minus
yes,
ds by
sir.
means root s, right? So s power minus 1 by 2 ds. So nothing but s power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So s power plus 1 by 2, okay, down plus 1 by 2, 2 come out. So minus 2 into s power 1 by 2 plus c. Nothing but minus 2 into root s plus c. This is the final answer. Okay. But our thing is what? We're not agenda, your answer is in terms of s. Okay. I'll write directly minus 2 into root s plus c. But what is the value of s, Nana? What is your understanding of s? 2z minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus c. But what is the value of z in terms of z in terms of t side? 2 into what's the value of in terms of z is equal to what? 1 by 1 plus t we are taken. Z is equal to. Okay. That we substituted. Okay. Then after that, what's the value of t? T is equal to root x.
Root x.
So next answer is 2 under root of 2 times of 1 by 1 plus root x minus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. If you want to go simplify, you can simplify. Doesn't matter. It is there. So your answer in terms of question is in terms of x. Your answer also in terms of x only. Okay. That is finished.
Okay.
Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
If you're discontinuation, please go and watch previous video, come back here. You can easily understand. Next, go to the
Yes.
17th question. I think 17th question is done, I think so, right? So I'll give the hint for you. 17th, you can do, you'll get it answer. So just now, previous question, I went off x to t, t to z, z to s also. 4 cases I went off. Nothing is there. You have a confidence, you can do it out. Here you can take for my convert x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t, you move forward. Here it is 1 by t. Instead of x places, you substitute x is equal to 1 by t minus 1. Then you substitute, first you simplify this, then you resubstitute it is, you can move forward, you can get it. The answer is very simple.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
or can I do it?
I'll
So,
do.
if I'll continue something else, I'll give. This dx means what? If you do derivation, dx is equal to minus 1 by t square. So minus 1 by t square into dt. So 1 plus x is equal to 1 by t. Next it is instead of this, you substitute t is equal to x is equal to 1 minus t, 2 times the whole square plus 3x plus t. After the entire simplification, you are going to get this is the answer. This is the things you'll get after simplify. So here the thing is simple. This t, here t, this t square cancel. Next the question is minus dt by 2 minus t. It's very simple now. Am I clear it? This you can move
Yes.
it. It's very simple model. You can do it, or else this you can take it z to making it out. You'll get an answer within seconds. You'll get it out. Okay, you can continue this. Next, the 17th is finished. Now it is 18th one. It's a little tricky. The 18th one, e power x minus 4 into dx. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the question. You can continue in such a way. You cannot do directly. So e power x plus 4 is equal to, you can take t square. So apply the derivation, e power x dx is equal to dt dt. Still clear? But you want only dx, right? So dx is equal to 2t dt by e power x. You have to substitute. That is your agenda. Am I clear or not? Okay. Then e power
Yes,
x from this e power x is equal to, you can write t square plus 4. So this you can substitute here. Dx is equal to dt dt by t square plus 4. Now this is the entire agenda. Now start multiplying. E power x plus 4 is equal to t square. So root t square. I don't want to do it. Dx is equal to what? This is agenda. 2t dt by t square plus 4. Clear, Nana?
yes, sir.
Still it is no doubt at all. Okay. Next, integration of t square is t. T into t square. 2 come out. So t square dt by t square plus 4. Still no problem at all. These questions you can extend by doing this logic, because t square it is there. If it is t or t square, some these models are same. You can write what are the values there. You can subtract and add. This model will do. How you need to simplify the question. Now this is dt. So next step, what you can write down? T square plus 4 by t square plus 4 into dt. I am separating. Minus integration 4 by t square plus 4 into dt. Okay. Now this is cancel. Are you following me or not?
Yes, sir.
Next page I write 2. I should take common directly. So what is that? 1 minus 1 into dt, I think so. 1 into dt minus 4 by t square plus 4 into integration dt. This is the clear. Now we can separate the 2 into t. So 2 into integration of dt minus 4 to the 8 integration 1 by t square plus 2 square into dt. So 2 into dt means t. 8 into integration of 1 by a square plus b square x square minus 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus 2. But answer is not yet finished. What you have to do? T values, please substitute in terms of x. What's the value of t now? This is t square, right? What's the value of t? T is equal to under root of
T
e
is
power x. This t square equal to this one. T is equal to under root of root a e x plus minus 4. Okay? Clear, Anna?
yes.
Yeah. That value you substitute instead of t. So 2 times of e power x minus 4 minus 4 tan inverse. This is 4 tan inverse. T is at e power x minus 4 under root. Okay? By 2. Plus your answer is finished. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next 19th one. This model we have seen number of times. It's very LKG question. Such a case we cannot go directly. Please rationalize 1 plus secant x is the question. You can rationalize with 1 minus secant x by 1 minus secant x into dx. This question a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. What you are going to get in the numerator? Secant square x minus 1 by 1 minus secant x. Clear? Next,
Yes, sir.
integration secant square x minus 1. What can I write? Is you can write tan square x. You can write
Yes, sir.
tan square x by 1 minus secant x dx. So integration tan square x means it's a tan x by under root of 1 minus secant x dx. Still this any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll write in the next page the question. Tan x by integration 1 minus secant x. Sorry, secant x minus 1. What is the question, Anna?
1 minus secant x.
Secant x minus 1, I think so. Secant x minus 1, secant x plus 1. For secant square x minus 1, right? This I should write secant x because 1 minus 1 square minus secant x, it should become wrong way. Because 1 minus secant square x minus 1 means this side here I should write secant x minus 1. Because please understand me, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So try to understand secant x minus 1,
Yes, sir.
secant x minus 1, secant x minus 1. Okay, now it's very clear. Now question it is secant x minus 1 into dx. It's clear. So next I should be open tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x by integration 1 by cos x minus 1 into dx. This continuation sin x by cos x by under root of 1 minus cos x by cos x. Still clear? Dx.
Yes.
So here this root cos x I am writing, just cot x I am writing root cos x into root cos x. Cos x root x is equal to x. So here this part I cancel. Okay. This
Yes.
this cos x I am writing root cos x into root cos x. So down denominator cancel. The question rewriting is integration sin x by root cos x into under root of 1 minus cos x. I think so still it's clear to dx.
Yes, sir.
So this is now it's very simple question now. Just you take cos x is equal to t. Just cos x is equal to t. Derivation you can do cos x means sin x dx dt by dx. So sin x dx is equal to dt you can write down. So integration dt by cos x means t to 1 minus t under root. Okay. Clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Now continue
Yes,
the question. It is now it is cos x is equal to derivation of minus sin x. We missed out, so we got minus dt. So minus dt by this you can take it inside t minus t square. Okay, into dt is there. I'll continue in the next page. Question is, it is just dt by under root of t minus t square. Okay. So please tell me how to do it is question. Minus dt by under root of this question look like a square ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Am I clear? Integration 1 by under root of ax square plus bx plus c model. This you can take separately. Minus t square plus t separately. You can do it as a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
Like that you can do it out. This you can go continue that. You are going to getting it out. 1 by 2 whole square minus t minus 1 by 2 whole square. I'll get it. Just replace this I'll go to that. If is location. Because I don't want to enter the thing. Because I read off because I'm writing to save your valuable time. So 1 by 2 whole square because I'm telling clearly the method what you are going to follow. This is a platform I can write like this by doing this process. It is that if you're not clear, please go watch previous videos. You can easily understand. Now integration 1 by under root of a square minus x square. This is very simple. What is the formula it is there? I think so sine inverse x. So sine inverse x by a. So t by 2 by 1 by 2 it is now. Please still answer is not finished because the value of t you substitute. What's the value of t, Nana? What's the value of t? Still you forgot. What's the value of t? Cos x.
Cos x.
Just you substitute cos x. So minus sine inverse cos x minus 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. Let's see. If you want any simplification, you can do the continuation the homework. I don't want to continue that. Okay. Good job. Then I will go for the next question, the 28th question. So dx by 1 plus x power 4 into dx. So dx already wrote. This is a very latest question. Many times this question we are asked in the examination some of the models. So let it be get to it. This question you cannot understand easily. So this is a tropical question. We cannot do it directly. 1 by x power 4 it is there. It is not a square plus x square also. So let me try my own levels. This I'm trying to multiply divide with 2 to make it little simpler. So 1 by 2 integration. Instead of 2, I writing the 2 I can write 1 plus. I'm adding x square and I'm subtracting x square. Numerator I was changed. Still any doubt, please let us know immediately. 1 plus 1, 2, x square cancel. Okay. Just I am doing simplify that individual terms 1 by 2, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x power 4 into dx plus 1 by 2 into integration 1 minus x square by 1 plus x power 4 into dx. Still no problem. Just question I was replaced. So next, what I'm trying to do it is I'm dividing numerator denominator. I'm writing it is dividing numerator denominator with x square. From this 1 by 2, 1 by t x square plus 1 I'll get. Numerator. Denominator x square means 1 by x square plus x square. Am I clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Plus dx is there mandatory. 1 by 2 integration 1 by x square minus 1 by x square plus x square. No problem at all. Dx it is there, no doubt at all. Still there's no doubt at all. Okay, good.
Yes.
I think you are toppers. Instead of this, we can write some number. What you can write down? Instead of this, we can write our number. I think you are many times you are a very experienced thing it is here. So what I'm trying to write for my own convenient, I can write because your plus is there. Intentionally, I can write simple 1 by 2, 1 by x square plus 1 this I can write plus 2x square and minus 2x square. I'll add a square plus b square. Here places there, I'll go for plus 2ab. That's what I should get minus. So I'm writing it is 1 minus x whole square plus 2 into dx plus 1 by 2 integration. Here 1 minus what is there here? 1 by x square it is there, or like 1 by x square minus 1. 1 by x square minus 1. Here it is there, right? 1 by x square minus 1. Okay. So 1 by x square minus 1, it is the right. Here the denominator I can write it is x plus 1 by 2 minus 12, right? 1 by x. Okay, this is a clear, right? Okay, this I got. So next step I write it is 1 by 2. I'll write in the next page. Here I should take minus common. What can I write 1 by 2? Can I write 1 by 1 minus x square? Because minus I should take common, this term should go inside. So I'll copy the next page in the very simple, very easy to understand. The question I'm rewriting, or else I'll take 1 by 2 common directly for both cases because I should make it question simpler. 1 by 2 integration 1 plus x square by x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 dx minus integration 1 minus 1 by x square by x plus 1 by x minus 2 dx. Still this you need to understand, please. Okay, this is the portion I copied. Here places that I should get minus common for my convenient. So I'll write 1 minus 1 by x square required for my future level. That is why I was to common. This I wrote question. This question I rewrite it as. If you not go back and come back to slide, you can easily understand. After this,
Yes.
there are two intentions for both cases. The both platforms are different here. Here what you has to do it is here, the platform 1 here, you can take x minus 1 by x is equal to t, you can take. Here it is 1 x plus 1 by x is equal to t, you can take. So if you do derivation on both sides, 1 plus 1 by x square into dx is equal to dt. Here it is 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt you'll get. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So next step I can easily write down.
Yes.
Substitute it is 1 by 2, it's entire common, dt by t square plus 2 is the right root 2 whole square. I don't know there's a time. Plus or minus dt by integration t square minus root 2 whole square. Okay. Now 1 by 2 is there. Integration 1 by under root of a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a t by root 2 minus similar 1 by a this is a square minus x square, right? It is different now. This is okay. This is entire continuation 1 by 2a because formula change 1 by a x square minus a square 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So t minus a by t plus a plus t minus 2. This is t here. So next, what is the value of t here?
X minus 1 by x.
Here you substitute, please. So final answer is 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by x by root 2 minus this 2 is there, 2 into 2 4, okay, 4 root 2 1 by 4 root 2 log of, here t is different, x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x, it is x plus 1 by x.
Yes, sir.
Yes, minus 2 root 2, so x plus 1 by x plus 2 root 2 plus the LKG simplification inside, you do it your own. This sentence, I don't want to touch. However, you can do it. Okay. Our main intention of our class
Yes,
is I should give only the methodology, how we need to proceed the next level. That's it. The rest of the things, the dustbin things, whatever the things you know already, please be working on your own. So still this our 60 is finished, I think so. Okay, if anything is else, I'll go back. You can go back and trade and come back. So sixth D is completely finished till today. Sixth D exercise completely finished.
yes, sir.
Then our next classes we'll go for to see 60E. So before, if you want to see 60E questions, our main agenda is you can go to the YouTube. You can watch, go for playlist. In the YouTube KSP Academy, I think I was already mentioned that. In playlist, I was mentioned clearly. Maths, you can see 1A you can go. Sorry, 2A. Maths 2A. I think so. Maths 2A only, right? We are available of partial fractions. Maths 2A can go for partial fractions. Okay. In the partial
Yes, sir.
fractions, just you have to see. There are two models: model 1, model 2, model 3. I was mentioned. At least you need to understand model 1, model 2. Model 3 is not here. In this differentiation, we may not get it out mostly. So model 1, model 2 is mandatory. So better to watch entire all videos. You might tomorrow you can see, you can play the questions are easily in the 60A chapter. So please watch this partial fractions in the maths 2A videos in the playlist of YouTube KSP Academy 2010. You can come to that house. So tomorrow in the next class, we will see the questions which are very simple. If you are well and good in the partial fractions, we can complete in one class only, entire exercise 60. If you not, it will take time. And one more thing I was promising you, I don't want you to do the value of A and value of B. I was copying of entire, I'll write directly ABC values because already you know partial fractions, I will say like that only. So that is what you need to must and should prepare partial fractions very clearly and should come back. You can clear the 60 one day and the 60th will take 2 classes. Within 3 classes, we are going to completely finish the integration with successfully, which work in each and individual follow. Okay. Thanks for watching. You can continue in the next class. We'll see next class what are things are there. We'll